Hi everybody, come along with me as I make one of my favorite face masks at home using just 2 ingredients. So I'm going to be using green tea, and you can get any green tea that you like. If you have matcha green tea, you can use that as well. But in today's video, I'm going to be using Lipton green tea and then some plain unsweetened yogurt. If you have probiotic yogurt, it is much better. Now, in a clean container, just going to transfer the content of the tea bag into a bowl. I'm using 2 tea bags today because I want to get enough coverage on my face and every other place I'll be applying this mask. If you have just one works just well, but for me 2 is okay. So we're going to be pouring the content of the tea bag into our bowl, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm just going to pour about 3 teaspoons of my unsweetened yogurt into the bowl, and we are basically done. Guys, this mask is so good. It is so good. I don't even know how else to explain it. If you have acne, it is a perfect mask or scrub you can use for your face if you have acne. But if you have acne, it's best if you can add some baking soda to it, to improve the quality of this particular face mask. So after mixing up the face mask, you're just going to apply it on your face. If you don't have an applicator brush like I have in the video, you can just use your your fingers to apply the mask all over your face. Now I'm going to be targeting areas like underneath my eyes, my nose bridge, and I'll also extend this mask onto my neck area, my upper neck area, because sometimes that place can also show some signs of aging. So guys, I'm going to let you know some of the benefits of this mixture right here. This mixture is rich in antimicrobial properties that help to prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria. So if you have a strong case of acne, if you have some baking soda in this particular mixture, it's going to work amazing to fight the bacteria that cause acne. It can also control the amount of oil that is spilled on your face if you have oily skin, thereby controlling the amount of shine or oil that you'd have on your face during the day. It also has amazing anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that helps to turn back the hands of time and reverse signs of aging. It can prevent your skin from UV damage. The yogurt also helps to brighten your skin. It's rich in lactic acid, so you can imagine the benefit that it can have for your face. Now, if you notice, I put some on underneath my eyes because sometimes I have dark eye circles when I'm really stressed, so that this mask can help to lighten the dark eye circles and just to give it a brightening effect. If you have really dry skin, you can try this mixture as well, because this mixture is going to help add moisture to your skin and soften your skin. If you're experiencing roughness of your skin, sometimes our skin just gets rough for no reason. It can help to smoothen out your skin. Now, if you have very sensitive skin and you have contact with a dermatologist, please be sure to speak with him or her first before you try this mask in order to prevent any kind of contraindications or reactions. Now I'm going to leave this mask on my skin for 10 minutes and allow the mask to work its magic. So our 10 minutes is up now, and I'm just going to be using this mask as a scrub. So as you can see, I applied some water on the mask to loosen the mask, and I'm just using my hands, that is the palm of my hand, to scrub my face, my cheeks, my chin, my nose bridge, and also on my lips as a lip scrub as well, to remove every kind of dead skin cell, to brighten up my lips, and to allow the scrub to seep into my pores to work its magic within my pores. Now, if you don't want to be getting the store-bought body or face scrub, sometimes I find that it can be very harsh on the skin. You can use tea. It's very gentle on your skin, and aside the benefits of removing dead skin cells on your face and revealing a brighter looking skin, it has other amazing benefits, anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties that most store-bought scrubs do not offer. So basically, I'm just rubbing this all over my face and then my neck. I'm doing it about 2 or 3 times, and then I rinse it off with some water. So I'm going to wash this off with my face soap, and I'm basically done. Guys, the towel I'm using to wipe my skin is already soft, but I could tell that my skin feels soft. almost always, all the time, hands down, I can tell a difference anytime I use this mask. Instant brightness, instant softness, and it has helped to when I constantly do this, it usually reduces the dark circles around my eyes and gives my skin a youthful look. You can do this mask twice a week or as much as possible as you want it, and you're just going to see how amazing it's going to work for your skin. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.